Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the chat background in the Telegram app on your Android device. By the end of this tutorial, your Telegram chats will look just the way you like, whether that's with a soothing color, a lively design, or a favorite photo from your gallery. Let's jump in and give your chats a fresh new vibe. First things first, grab your Android device and open up the Telegram app. Once you're in, you'll notice those three little horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. This is called the hamburger menu. Give that a tap and you'll see the main sidebar menu slide open. From here, find and tap on the Settings option. This is where the magic of customization begins. Now inside the Settings menu, you'll need to scroll down until you spot an option called Chat Settings. Depending on which version of Telegram you're using, this might be labeled a little differently. Sometimes it simply says Appearance or Chats. If you're not seeing it right away, don't worry, just take a moment to look for anything related to chat appearance or backgrounds. Found it? Great, tap to go into that section. In the chat settings area, look for the option that says either change chat background or maybe just change background. Tap this and now you're at the fun part, personalizing the look of your chats. Telegram gives you quite a few options here. If you want something quick and simple, you can choose from basic colors or some lovely gradient backgrounds that Telegram provides by default. These are perfect if you like things clean and minimal, but maybe you want to add a personal touch instead. Tap on Select from Gallery to open your phone's photo collection. You can pick any image you have saved, maybe a photo from your latest trip, your pet, or a favorite quote. Once you select an image, Telegram gives you a few neat options to play with. You can blur the image for a softer look or add a motion effect to make things a bit more dynamic. Take your time adjusting these, there's no rush, and you want to make sure it looks just right. If you're more of a fan of solid colors, there's also a simple set a color feature. This lets you choose a color that fits your mood or style for the day. And if your perfect wallpaper isn't in your gallery, Telegram offers an option called Upload Custom Background. This allows you to browse your phone's files and select any image you want, even if it's hidden away in a folder somewhere. Once you've made your selection, Telegram will show you a handy preview screen. Here, where you get a final look at how your chats will appear with the new background. If you're happy with it, all you need to do is tap on the Set Background button at the bottom. And that's it. In just a few moments, your new image or color will instantly become the backdrop for all your Telegram conversations. Changing your chat background is a small change, but it can make using Telegram feel much more personal and fun, just like rearranging furniture in your living room or hanging up a new piece of art. If anything didn't look quite right or you want to try a different background, you can go back and change it again anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Telegram feature you'd like to see covered. And if you want more bite-sized guides like this, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.